Already i-difference sekhona bhuti wami because mangathi uyabheka a lot of buses have been traveling out of the country, taking people back to their countries. We are marching to continue the march eqalwe nge-30. This will not be a one-day thing or a one-week thing or a 2 month thing. It's an ongoing thing that's gonna continue up until everybody is eventually where they are supposed to be.
Babukeli nganibingelela lokho khuluma ngomkhenani Kenny KJ Shungume, the place of milk and honey, the promised land in Votsele Mnyama 2 sise Johannesburg lana ke i-flow off lana ke people are toying as in village mametho siphumile ukuthi every Thursday South Africans are too much mile batoyitoye ke peacefully. So nginosisi lana ntombutho sikwenzakalani because ngiyabona kuyaphithizela people bagijima bacula sanibonani.
Yebo ninjani bhuti?
Siyaphila sisiwami. Ngicela kubuda ngibani igama lakho first of all nje?
Igama lami uMpumi wakamkhonza, ngihlala e-flow off extension 4.
Okay, my sister, kwenzakalani lana ngoba ngiyabona ukuthi kubhizi and I've seen you ngibona nje ushaya imfingwana ngathi uphambili lapha kule march. What's happening here?
Okay, so I'm one of the leaders abe March and March lana e-flow off with Florida in the West Rand. So namhlanje we are marching to continue the march eqalwe nge-30 to check and to also address indaba illegal immigrations and the foreign nationals that are currently in our area.
Okay manje manimacha nisuka nana niyakuphi niyakubani for what?
Okay, so currently we are checking if amakula, which are Muslims, if they still opened Bumatak Shop wabo, and also we just signed, we just issued out a memorandum that must go to JMPD. Kona manje, some of the leaders, they're gonna go there, we're gonna wait for them. Once that memorandum is signed by the chief, JMPD, then we're gonna enter factory work and see which foreigners are there, and then how can we assist in them getting out and then putting South Africans in, because we want abantu basemzansi kube yibo abantu abasebenzayo. As much as there's a lot of foreign workers, we need to find out ukuthi singabakhipha kanjani sifake abantu bethu.
South Africa. But I remember, I think President Ramaphosa said something ukuthi kude umuntu lanelungelo. No one has a right to check if someone nobona ngathi okay ngene shop, like ngikhuluma ne management usicela check ukuthi kunebantu abasebenzako bala South Africa ma foreign. How do you do this thing?
Okay, so currently procedure yakhona, you need to wait for the Department of Home Affairs and also the Department of Health and Safety, along with SRC and the housing. So since we don't have them here today, the commissioner stated ukuthi these people are currently a Roodepoort. Hence Western area, it's very big. So they are distributed today a Roodepoort. We don't have them today. Hence today we just want each MPD, each chief to sign a memorandum to for factory work. Once we have that signed, and then we're going to continue with the march, so that by the time abantu base Home Affairs nabase Department of Health, once they come, then we are ready to actually check everything. They are actually ready bona self to check abantu ukuthi are they illegal or not.
Okay.
Because we can't do that on our own. Hence namakula amanye asavulile, so sekuwukuthi nje indelelo, mara we cannot enforce violence. We can also not enforce ukucheka ama-legal documents wabo. That thing is a process. It's a process, and it's also a procedure that needs to be followed by abantu base department.
No, but do you think i-difference tuba khona or khona lokutoyendeka batohamba vele bona ngempela mawucabanga?
Already i-difference sekhona bhuti wami, because mangathi uyabheka a lot of buses have been traveling out of the country, taking people back to their countries. So khona manje you need to understand ukuthi it's slow progress, it's still progress. Mara eventually the goal is one, is to eventually get all illegal immigrants back to their countries so that they can build their countries. You understand that? For the long haul, even for the next generations to come. So Nathi Lana, this will not be a one-day thing or a one-week thing or a 2 month thing. It's an ongoing thing that's going to continue up until everybody is eventually where they are supposed to be. And jobs are there for people, and people owning houses, not just foreign nationals owning houses, our houses. Yes.
No, Siswam, thank you for your time.